2099년 런던. 누군가를 기다리고 있는 한 남자. 그때 한 소녀가 모습을 드러냅니다.
What sort of mess have you gotten yourself into now, Elisa?
When I first found you, I made a vow that I'd save you if I could.
And you did. What are you up to, Elisa?
Saving the world.
Our world is long past saving. I thought that was always your point.
But I didn't say our world.
알 수 없는 소리를 하는 아엘리타.
Goodbye, Wolf.
Elisa?
수수께끼 같은 대사를 남긴 채 시간은 다시 2032년으로 돌아갑니다. 숲속 작은 집에서 살고 있는 플린.
Morning, Mama. Brought you some coffee. Just be careful, it's a little hot. And I made you a sandwich. I left it in the fridge. Burton wants one. He can go ahead and make his own.
몸이 아픈 어머니를 돌보며 지내고 있었습니다.
Can't keep losing weight, Mama. You're gonna end up in the hospital again. Burton!
약을 살 돈이 필요해진 플린은 해병대 출신 오빠 버턴을 찾아갑니다.
Burton! Do you care to tell me why Mama's last Tamazine's only 10 milligrams? Have you been swapping pills with Mama?
Jesus Christ, Flynn, you really think I'd do that?
She's got a 10 milligram pill. And just that one, too. Which means you've likely not only been swapping, so I need cash now.
How much?
How much you got?
1,000 if I make it to the next level, which you could maybe help with.
That's just one pill.
Which is one day, ain't it? And I got something big coming tonight, so we'll have the rest tomorrow.
All right, orient me.
플린에게 대신 게임을 부탁하는 버턴.
He hired us to get him past level 20. Keep saying, chill. Annoying as all hell. Reese is the one in the beret.
Jesus, don't you even have a shred of
Decency. At least let the damn sheep out. I like your beret, Reese. Real classy. Lynn? What are we looking for?
It's supposed to be a map.
Drag that door open, will ya?
순식간에 적들을 학살해버리는데
You wanna guess why y'all didn't find that map?
Why? Because it hadn't arrived yet.
You can send the money to my phone.
What the fuck happened?
사실 누구보다 빼어난 게임 실력을 갖춘 플린. 하지만 천재적인 재능이 무색하게도 그저 평범한 3D 프린트숍 직원으로 일하며 살아갑니다.
Your skills and personality are being sadly wasted in this den of imbecility. How much does Burton get jockeying for rich folks?
A whole lot more than he deserves.
And you could earn even more.
It ain't real. I'm not gonna not. This here's the only world that I got.
가상 현실보다 진짜 현실을 더 중요시 여겼던 플린. 잠시 후 플린에게 도착한 상자 하나.
What?
Burton said to fetch this home.
And how'd he pay for it?
He didn't. Something called Me Lap Gross Cold Iron did.
And what's it supposed to do?
So it's some sort of remote piloting gizmo.
We know best guess that is.
밀라그로스 콜디론이라는 정체불명의 기업으로부터
It's a Colombian company. We looked them up.
What kind?
Kind that's registered in Bogota. And that's all they're gonna tell you. Fuck you very much.
버턴에게 베타 테스트 의뢰가 들어온 것입니다.
You have got a scam friend, though.
Nothing personal. Customer requested chain to custody.
그날 밤
You wanna talk some sense to me about Mama's pills?
Ask what this is.
Handing me a toy to distract me.
Might be surprised, because when it is working, you wouldn't necessarily notice.
그들이 보낸 것은 최첨단 VR 헤드셋 시제품이었습니다.
What are all those silver prongs for? And there's no screen.
Cutting edge VR, Flynn. Folks want me to beta test it for a shitload of money, too.
Why you?
Turns out I'm one of the few jockeys ever to reach the 100th level in Halcyon.
사실 그 기록은 플린이 접속해 기록한 것이었고
I don't have time for this shit. I gotta put dinner
This here's
on.
the only way we're gonna pay for Mama's Tamasine.
버턴은 플린이 가진 재능을 잘 알고 있었기에 접속을 권유합니다.
Come on, you know I'm proud of you, right? How good you are at this?
Shut up. You are so full of shit. I can't see how you stand yourself sometimes.
I am proud of you.
어머니의 약값을 마련하기 위해
Do I get another big ass beard this time or what?
As far as I can tell, you're gonna be a version of me.
Okay. And I should probably act a little dim-witted then.
결국 플린은 VR 헤드셋을 머리에 쓴 채 미지의 세계로 첫 발을 내딛습니다.
Close your eyes.
Stop it.
Count back from 10. The rest should be self-explanatory, more or less.
Okay. 5, 4,
shit!
플린은 가상현실 세계에 눈을 뜹니다. 그때 정체 모를 한 여성의 목소리가 들려옵니다.
Well, hello. Welcome to the sim, Easy Ice.
Who are you?
The voice in your head. I tell you what to do, and you do it. That's how you earn your keep. Left.
안내 목소리에 따라 목적지로 향하는 플린.
Your destination.
I think I know what that is.
You know what it used to be. Halfway around the circle. Pull up at the door on the left. You're on foot from here.
I need a weapon?
Just the rapier of your wit, should you possess such a thing. Let's look lively now. Someone's waiting.
어떤 장소로 안내받은 플린이 도착을 알리는 순간
Say, I've arrived.
I've arrived.
You don't appear to be in our database. Your name is?
Easy Ice.
Do you prefer Easy or Mr. Ice?
Mr. Ice has a pretty good ring to it.
Enjoy the party, Mr. Ice.
가상현실 속 아바타 이지 아이스를 등록합니다. 현실감 넘치는 세상에 플린은 감탄하기 시작합니다.
What is this?
A company party.
What's the company?
A little venture called the RI.
Which stands for?
Research Institute. A high point of the social calendar, I assure you. Not to be missed.
사교 행사에 참석하며 차분히 지시에 따르기 시작하는 플린.
That's the queen bee of this entire vile hive. You don't want to feel her sting, trust me. Warmer still. The crown of laurels. I need you to convince this young woman to take you home. Make this happen now, or you won't be paid.
Sitting here like this? You're just too beautiful.
Come, sit. Be a king to my queen. I'm Marielle.
능력을 쓰는 게 익숙해 보이는 마리엘.
And then spend the next hour leaning close, complimenting you. And then maybe, if the signs seemed right, I could ask you to take me home.
Or
I could ask you now.
플린은 마리엘을 유혹하는데 성공합니다.
In your pocket, you'll find a glass ampule. And while you do this, I'd suggest you attend rather closely to your surroundings.
지시에 따르던 바로 그 순간 인공지능과의 사투가 시작됩니다. 사실 이 지시는 마리엘을 납치하라는 지시였고
Chop chop, let's keep this moving. I speak, and I'm like a thought for you, aren't I? Such power. I didn't realize I'd enjoy it quite so much. Left.
플린은 시키는 대로 목적지를 향해 나갑니다.
So,
I've arrived. Who's this?
your master, little puppet.
곧이어 지시를 내렸던 목소리의 주인공 아엘리타 웨스트를 마주합니다.
The one who pulls your strings. You're my first polt, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit of an odd feeling.
What's a polt?
아엘리타는 플린을 폴트라 칭했고
If I assured you that you'd likely no longer exist in like another decade, what would that mean to you? Would that carry any weight? Would you wake from here and change your life?
You were easier to follow when you were just a voice inside my head. Now what?
Something rather eye-opening, I assure you. Let's resume this tomorrow, shall we?
알 수 없는 말과 함께 플린은 그대로 접속을 종료합니다.
holy shit!
What's this hymn about?
A kidnapping? But I mean, that's definitely just the start.
Well, you must have done something right because they want you back tomorrow. And they just bumped up the money.
No shit.
I don't want to be an asshole about this, Flynn, but we're talking a lot of fucking cash here. Like, enough to set us right for months.
그렇게 당분간 베타 테스트에 임하기로 하는 플린.
Hold up.
How's it work?
I don't know, some sort of neural cutout, I guess, like my haptics. I'll ride over to Jimmy's and pick up the rest of Mama's Tamacine.
Nah, I got it, Burton. I could use some fresh air.
잠시 후 어머니의 약을 사러 나온 플린. 약을 판매 중인 불량배들을 따로 불러냅니다.
I need Tamazine.
Think you might need a little bit of help with your math here, Flynn.
I just want the one pill. I'll come back here tomorrow and pick up the rest.
You know that's not how this works. I don't know, figure out some sort of barter deal.
Give me the goddamn pill.
Maybe you should try your luck with Farmer John. See if they're a little more amenable.
그런데 그때 군복무 중 큰 부상을 입은 오빠 버턴의 친구 코너가 나섭니다.
How about you just give the young lady what she asking for?
I would have guessed a one-armed dude would know when it's time to mind his own business.
You wanna know the best part about being a one-armed dude, Cash? You ain't got a lot left to lose, bro. Now let's say I decide to reach for that boat up there. Now what's the worst thing that can happen to me? The worst thing? I only managed to kill 2 of you. Rather than all 3.
코너 덕분에 하루치 약을 살 수 있게 된 플린.
How's he holding up?
You should come by sometime. Might even be moved enough to offer you a beer.
How's the charge on that?
Low.
그 시각 술집으로 돌아간 불량배들. 두목처럼 보이는 피켓이라는 남자가 그들을 기다리고 있었습니다.
I could understand how you might be unhappy with us, Mr. Bickett.
I'm not unhappy. It's the bullying that gives me pause. The way that drunk, crippled man handled you out there. Drink up, son. I need you calm so you can absorb this lesson.
폭력적인 교훈을 심어주는 피켓.
When you look weak, I look weak.
한편 집으로 돌아온 플린은 통증을 느끼고 있는 오빠의 모습을 보게 됩니다. 다음 날 아픈 어머니의 머리를 감겨주던 플린.
Something wrong, hon? Just the sorry state of your hair. But don't worry, I'll ask Billy Ann to come over and give this briar patch a little trim. How's the pain been?
Well, Burton's been giving me his extra pills. That's helped some.
What do you mean?
Well, he says he doesn't need them so much anymore.
플린은 버턴이 고통을 감내하고 약을 내어주고 있었다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
How are those haptics treating you?
Been worse.
I'm sorry I said all that evil stuff about you taking Mama's pills.
What's going on, Flynn?
What do you mean?
You're acting fucking weird.
Yeah, just give me that. Stop piddling with it.
잠시 후 다시 가상현실에 접속하는 플린. 하지만 움직일 수 없는 상태로 수술대에 올라가 있었고
I assume you're wondering why you can't move. That's a very good question. Do you know what enucleation? Now, I imagine that you've begun to shout in your head, haven't you? Alas, you can't do that here because I initiate the connection and only I can end it, so... It's Barry Hell's beautiful blue orb.
마취 없이 안구를 적출당할 위기에 처하게 됩니다.
I may need you to endure terrible pain in the coming hours, okay? I mean, you're not actually in this body, are you?
마리엘의 눈을 이식하는 끔찍한 시술을 감행하는 아엘리타.
I need you to discipline your mind. Show me that you can rein it in. Well done. Back, are we?
What are we doing?
You're gonna be a love and open some doors for me.
깨어난 플린은 아엘리타와 함께 어딘가로 향합니다.
Press your eye to it, or rather, dear Marielle's.
마리엘의 눈으로 삼엄한 보안을 뚫어내는 플린.
What is this place?
Infinity in the palm of your hand, eternity in an hour.
그렇게 두 사람은 최하층까지 내려갑니다.
It's a great gift I'm giving you. I hope you're worthy of it. Are you ready?
For what?
To lay claim to your destiny.
마지막 보안을 뚫고 자신의 눈을 갖다 대자
Master it!
억지로 통제하는 아엘리타. 이때 암살자 데니얼이 등장합니다.
Stop him! Now he's here to kill us!
플린은 지시대로 맞서 싸우기 시작합니다.
I need to rest.
Encountered one of these before. Delivers a sonic punch right down into the organs.
아엘리타 또한 음파총으로 쉽게 제압당합니다.
Just the liver over here. Or is it the spleen?
묶인 손을 빼내자 살이 벗겨지며 기계손이 드러나고
Easy, I say. What's your real name, lad?
플린이 반격을 시도하는 사이 도망치는 아엘리타. 그 순간 현실 세계로 강제 로그아웃됩니다.
What happened?
Never again. Never fucking again.
Flynn!
다음 날 집으로 찾아온 친구에게 모든 일을 털어놓는 플린.
You know, I've been playing this sim. You feel your whole body like it's real or something. They cut my eye out, beat me to death for no reason at all. It was just meanness. Like the palm of my hand got ripped off, right?
Jesus.
Yeah, but underneath it, it was a machine. Why would they design it like that? It seems to me like the whole thing they're going to be selling this sim on. What's most important about it is that everything feels real.
플린은 심을 사람이 아닌 기계로 구성했다는 사실에 의문을 품게 됩니다.
So why go and put machine underneath it?
또 다른 현실에 접속했을 수도 있다며 생각하는 플린.
In a real body, somewhere that's real.
이후 플린은 의문의 전화 한 통을 받게 됩니다.
Miss Fisher, I need you to listen very closely. Everything you believe about your experience with the headset is wrong. It's crucial that you log back into the sim.
심에 접속할 것을 요구하지만
Well, don't call it again.
Your life is at risk.
플린은 황급히 전화를 끊어버렸습니다. 그날 저녁 퇴근을 하려던 플린은 기이한 현상에 휘말립니다.
It's of critical importance that you sign back into the sim, Miss Fisher. Immediately. You are in grave danger, offering a $9 million bounty for a contract killing. There's reason to believe that you and your family are the intended target.
해킹 메시지를 받게 된 플린.
I cannot assist you in this emergency unless you sign back in. I repeat, I cannot assist you in this emergency unless you sign back in.
겁에 질린 플린은 도망치듯 나와 버턴에게 향합니다.
Burton!
Hey, Flynn. What's going on?
Someone from that company's trying to contact me. Milagros, whatever, the Colombian one. He said someone put a hit on us for $9 million on the darknet.
$900의 현상 수배자가 된 플린. 버턴은 플린의 말을 믿지 않고 코웃음을 칩니다.
Did he say why?
No, he didn't say why. He said I just need to sign in again so he can help us.
He's just trying to get you back into harness. Hey, grab that 12-pack from the fridge, would you?
You're too drunk to fetch it, you're too drunk to drink it.
Whatever's on your mind. Might as well go ahead and say it.
Connor.
What about him?
We all had warning and chose not to believe it. Like a $9 million bounty.
Still got those drones in your car?
결국 드론을 띄워보기로 하는 버턴과 친구들.
There's something I ought to know about?
Just an excess of caution.
Whoa.
그때 드론 화면에 믿을 수 없는 광경이 포착됩니다. 무장한 용병들이 은밀하게 집을 향해 접근하고 있었던 것입니다. 한편 가상현실에서 누군가에게 보고하는 데니얼.
His location and temporality complicate the situation, of course, but we've taken the necessary steps to eliminate the threat.
Has the offer been accepted?
Almost immediately.
By a reliable party?
Ex-military, elite unit, will be providing some assistance on the technical side.
Is anyone even remotely associated with him?
지시를 받고 플린 가족을 제거하기 위해 움직이는 용병.
Get Mama in the basement. Can you hack it?
I need a bunch of dumbass drunks around the fire. Not much motion.
버턴은 정찰 드론 해킹을 시도합니다.
Get it done, Reese, or we go without it.
Link me.
You
sorry motherfuckers have no idea who they just picked a fight with. Link. 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 You got your long guns?
Mama, wake up! Mama, get up!
그렇게 버턴의 싸움이 시작됩니다. 위치가 특정된 용병들에게 총격을 가합니다. 그런데 이때 한 용병이 집안까지 침입하고 다급히 숨겨놓은 총을 찾아내지만
Come on, fucker. Come on. Stop! Drop your fucking gun now!
버턴의 도움으로 플린은 무사할 수 있었습니다.
Mama?
It's all right. Just look through the whole thing.
Problem. Only seen 10 bodies. One's in the house. Counting, still 2 missing.
무언가 이상함을 감지하던 그 순간
They hacked us back.
용병들의 제습격이 시작됩니다.
Here too! Ain't about to be burning up that ridge if that's what you're thinking. Not asking you to. Will someone please tell me what the fuck is going on?
이때 코너가 나타나 나머지 용병들을 제압합니다.
Your little sister said I should stop by for a beer. She ain't say nothing about you throwing such a fun party though.
한편 레프 주보프란 남자가 윌프에게 의뢰를 맡깁니다.
Which would give you a sense of the urgency at play. The bounty. On the girl and her family, someone tried to claim it. So my technicals have built the girl a peripheral. I need you to get her inside it. Now. She's our best chance of finding Alita.
그는 아엘타를 찾길 바랬고 그러기 위해 플린이 꼭 필요했습니다.
I'm sorry, Flynn. I know this is the last thing you want to do, but we need the intel.
잠시 후 정보가 필요했던 플린은 스스로 가상현실에 접속합니다. 이번엔 버턴의 모습이 아닌 플린 자신의 모습으로 눈을 뜹니다. 자신의 모습에 놀라는 사이
If you'd like it altered in any way, we can easily accommodate you. I'm Wilf Netherson. I'll be as direct as possible, since neither of us has time for anything else. I'm trying to find a woman, Alita West. If I'm not mistaken, you might be the last person to have seen her.
You see, I'm thinking you should probably tell me why people are trying to come and kill me and my family first. And then, maybe I'll go and play your stupid missing lady sim.
You aren't playing a sim, Miss Fisher. You're inside what we call a peripheral. Telepresent. Let me show you.
이곳은 가상현실이 아닌 70년 뒤 런던의 실제 미래였죠.
This ain't London.
This is London. But London's 70 years from what you think of as the present.
That time traveled here? To future London?
No. If it were time travel, as you say, you'd be here physically. This is merely a matter of data transfer. Quantum tunneling is the technical term for it. You'd like my bona fides? Your mother. She has a brain tumor.
Don't really need to be from the future to know
It's going
that
to kill
one.
her in 4 weeks.
Doctor told her it won't do her in, so there's plenty of stuff in line ahead of that.
Has her pain been intensifying?
믿지 못하는 플린에게 어머니의 사망 기사를 보여줍니다.
We developed a drug to treat gliomas. Rather easily. It's like spraying a weed, more or less. I sent the formula to your pharmacy. They're printing it now.
But we can't afford Farmer John.
We wired payment direct to the pharmacy. Think on it, Miss Fisher. But with alacrity. You and your family, you remain in grave danger. Those men who came to kill you, they won't be the last.
접속을 마친 플린은 곧장 약국으로 향해 윌프가 보낸 치료제 일부를 입수하게 됩니다.
You want to tell me something, Mama? Patrick Leoma.
I'm sorry, Flynn. And the idea of stealing even 1 second from you, of weighing you down with sadness, when I could protect you.
윌프가 말한 병을 숨겨온 사실을 어머니에게 확인받는 플린.
This new drug, it's experimental.
What's the worst it could do, Flynn? Kill me a little quicker?
한편 버턴의 친구 토미는 순찰 중 기이한 현상을 목격합니다. 컵이 놓여있는 투명 차량을 발견하는 토미.
Fucking A.
차량을 수색하던 토미는 총탄을 발견합니다.
I could really use some intel right about now, if you got it.
You're not gonna blame me.
그 시각 플린은 버턴에게 페리퍼럴에서 겪었던 일을 이야기합니다.
This guy says. He says I witnessed something while I was there. Something that these folks are wanting to kill me.
I still don't see what's so hard to believe.
It's in the future. Burton. 2100.
I assume he gave you a reason to believe that.
하지만 쉽게 믿지 않는 버턴.
You check on Mama on your way up?
Claims she's fine. Leon says her vitals are out of whack. Like she's fighting something.
This guy, he gave me something for her. A drug. For a tumor. He says it'll cure her.
Well, fuck that, because we're not taking his word
I
on
gave
anything.
it to her.
You what?
He showed me her obituary, okay?
Flynn, you can't
She's
just
gonna
give
die
her...
in 4 weeks if we don't do nothing about
And
it.
you just believe that?
It was real, Burton. It felt real.
Felt real.
버턴은 윌프를 믿는 플린이 못마땅하기만 합니다.
God damn it, Burton. Why do you have to go and fuck things up all the time, huh?
잠시 후 정보를 얻기 위해 재차 페리퍼럴에 접속한 플린.
Where are we?
It belongs to Lev Zubov. That's him in the waistcoat.
So why are we here?
We're in Notting Hill to meet with Lev and his 2 technicals.
그곳에서 플린은 레프와 만나게 됩니다.
What happens to this thing when I'm not in it?
It has an 8-hour sleep cycle. The rest of the time, when you're off in your stub, it runs on AI.
My stub?
Our 2 timelines were identical until that moment of contact. At that point, they separated.
You're not helping at all.
Any moment you'd like to jump in.
Perhaps we should stick to the most urgent matters at hand and trust that the secondary details will fall into place.
Urgent, like the people coming to kill me and my family.
Or from our perspective, urgent being what happened to Elita West.
Why is she so important to y'all?
Alita worked for an entity called the Research Institute. Our duties there gave her access to your stub. We've been paying her to provide us with a trapdoor into it. Now that she's missing, we risk losing that connection.
아엘리타의 행방이 중요했던 이유를 알게 됩니다.
All it's gone and done is make her sicker.
It will accomplish what I promised, I assure you.
어머니의 상태에 대해 말하는 플린.
When will my mother get better?
Isn't it never that mad? Certainly absorbing.
They can encrypt their voices when they address each other. You'll grow accustomed to it.
I was simply informing Ash that the medication in question has a 57% efficacy rate.
Which means? The ability to produce a desired or intended result.
What does it mean for my mother?
We can't guarantee that the drug will work.
Well, I'm guessing spraying a weed means something pretty different in the future, huh?
플린은 어머니의 병을 완치시키는 조건으로 아엘리타를 찾는데 협력하겠다고 말합니다.
Make that happen. I'll start talking about your missing lady.
곧이어 현실 세계로 돌아온 플린.
Flynn!
Burton!
곧바로 자신의 오빠 버턴을 찾아 나섭니다.
You know what? That's a 6.8 SPC. We use those in the war on occasion.
한편 버턴에게 자문을 구하러 온 토미.
All the way out here, though? That seems a bit odd, don't it?
Whole damn thing seems pretty odd to me, Tommy.
Make sure to say hi to Flynn and your mama for me.
Yeah, I'll do that, Tommy.
What'd he say?
2 abandoned SUVs up the road a ways.
How the fuck is all this happening right now?
버턴을 찾은 플린은 보수 지급을 약속받은 사실을 알립니다.
Your buddies from the future gonna help us any, or are we on our own?
I guess they'll try to give us a warning before the next wave hits.
How much of a warning?
Much as they can manage. So they're sending money, though. A lot. $250,000.
그날 밤 코너의 집을 찾은 버턴.
Why don't you come a visiting?
버턴이 찾아오지 않아 서운한 마음을 보이는 코너.
God, so I figured I was gonna find you dead one of these days.
So why are you here now?
우울증에 빠진 그가 목숨을 끊는 모습을 보게 될까 찾아오지 못했었죠.
I could use a decent staff sergeant.
The other night when I was headed towards your place, I only saw one of them, but he had me scoped. There's only one reason I could guess why that boy would let me by. It's pity.
전우였던 코너가 부사관이 되어주길 바라는 버턴.
Tell me that firefight didn't make you happy, Bert. There it is. What you got going on out there?
Flynn took a trip to future London, saw something she wasn't supposed to. Now people from there are hiring folks to kill us.
I'm pretty fucked up, but not that fucked up.
I didn't say you had to believe me. You just need to help.
플린과 겪었던 일들을 말해주지만 코너는 믿지 않습니다.
Look, the offer's there if you want it. But the sober part is non-negotiable.
한편 게임을 즐기고 있는 피켓.
No esposa esta noche, señor. Flying free this evening, Manuel. And what is your name, honey?
Carmen.
피켓에게 수상한 남자가 다가옵니다.
Would you excuse us, señorita? You're quite a difficult man to contact, Mr. Pickett.
What the fuck is going on here?
We'd like to pay you $10 million to eliminate 2 members of your community.
Who are you? Homeland Security?
We're prepared to transfer 25% into your account now. The rest to be paid upon completion. The individuals' names in question are Flynn and Burton Fisher.
그는 거금을 건네며 플린과 버턴의 암살을 의뢰합니다.
You think I'm a fool? This is entrapment, asshole.
피켓이 낯선 남자의 의뢰를 거절하는 사이 플린은 윌프에 대해 조사해보기 시작합니다. 이때 아엘리타를 검색하자 알 수 없는 이상현상을 겪게 됩니다.
I'm afraid we might need to take a break from old Tropicana.
한편 의뢰를 거절했던 피켓에게 거액의 돈이 선입금됩니다.
Corbell.
그러자 고민에 빠지는 피켓.
Burton, get up here right now.
같은 시각 수상한 인기척을 느낀 플린.
What are you doing? You okay?
I was hungry. I can see you. I can see you.
시력을 잃었던 어머니의 건강이 회복되기 시작했죠. 다음날 절친 빌리앤에게 자신이 겪었던 일들을 털어놓습니다.
I feel like my head's about to explode. If they can tell you about your mama, they must know about you too.
I asked them, and they stonewalled me. I don't know why, but kind of makes me start to think that I ought to stop asking. One thing I know for sure, there's a lot less people in 70 years.
You really believe, don't you?
Yeah.
한편 버턴은 플린이 일하는 가게에서 무기를 준비합니다.
What are you doing?
You can't print this here.
We bought it this morning.
거액의 보수를 지급받은 버턴은 플린이 일하던 가게까지 인수해버렸죠.
I need to talk to you.
And you don't have time to work here anyway. They need you in London.
We gotta be a team here. You understand that? Otherwise, none of this shit's gonna work.
Agreed. What's up with your hand?
Nothing. It's just stiff. I don't know.
그 사이 그곳에 도착한 코너가 팀에 합류합니다.
Some dumb fuck said you might have a job for me.
Head inside, they'll get you sorted out.
이후 집으로 돌아가던 길.
You gonna share what's going on there?
I keep losing control of it. Just start squeezing without me meaning it to.
Headset?
Maybe. I told Billy Ann this morning.
Told her what?
Everything.
Why the fuck did you do that?
빌리앤에게 모든 것을 말했다는 플린의 고백에 버턴은 크게 분노합니다.
Billy Ann is the only friend that I got. Clearly, you got some other shit that you're brewing on that you want to say to piss me off.
You might just want to remember that when you tell Billy Ann something, you're telling Jasper too.
Yeah, okay. And I told her to keep it a fucking secret.
That's not how it works, Flynn.
Look how it works.
Jasper's uncle?
하필 빌리앤의 남편인 제스퍼는 마을의 권력자 피켓의 조카였기 때문이었죠. 한편 플린은 다시 한번 페리퍼럴에 접속합니다.
Please tell me you do not keep me in a box when I'm not here.
No. We're in the kitchen again.
We kidnapped the Mariel woman, stole her eyeball, used that to get into the underground place, got caught. Your Alita woman ran away while I got myself killed. Find out who the Mariel woman is and go from there.
Assistant security manager at the Research Institute, which was also Alita's place of employment.
마리엘이 리서치 인스티튜트 보안 부팀장이라는 사실과
What connection do you have to a man named Corbell Pickett?
None.
We've detected a considerable spike in interest from his IP address.
Interest in what?
You and your family.
Which would lead us to believe that someone from here might have contacted him, in the hopes of recruiting him to harm you.
피켓이 미래의 누군가에게 의뢰를 받은 사실을 알게 됩니다.
You keep looking for Alita, and I'll be back in an hour.
현실로 돌아와 정보를 버턴에게 공유하는 플린.
I'll take care of Pickett.
Burton, you can't go and kill Corbell Pickett in cold blood.
He said he was planning to kill us.
That ain't who we are.
The Corps actually spent a lot of money making me exactly that kind of person.
You'll talk to me first, before you make any decisions.
Agreed.
플린이 버턴에게 뒷일을 맡기는 사이
And that goes for Connor too.
윌프 역시 홀로 어딘가로 향합니다. 어린 시절 고아였던 아엘리타와 윌프.
How old are you, darling?
I'll be 10 in 27 days. Wolf is 8.
Would you like to come and live with us in Oxfordshire?
Can Wolf come?
We were only planning to adopt one.
Well, perhaps in that
I'm
case
not going without Wolf.
Say we wanted to call you by a different name. Something a little more traditional, like, Wilfred. Would that be okay?
I could be Wilfred.
Good boy.
두 사람은 함께 입양되어 자란 친남매나 다름없는 사이였죠.
Wilfred.
Hello, Mom.
어머니를 만난 윌프는
When was she last here?
A month ago. I was in St. James. Came out of Wilton's, practically ran right into her. I asked her where she was staying. She took on that rather unattractive, haughty air that she can sometimes assume and said, where snow last fell in London.
그녀가 남겼다는 알 수 없는 의문의 수수께끼를 전해 듣게 됩니다.
Said that if I'd ever bothered to pay the slightest degree of attention, I'd know precisely what she meant. But you paid attention, Wilfred. And do you know what she meant?
그 시각 플린은 다시 페리퍼럴에 접속해 윌프와 합류합니다.
Welcome back. I programmed the car to move in a grid with Buckingham Palace at its center.
아엘리타를 만났던 장소를 다시 추적하기 시작하는 두 사람.
What happened to her? Mariel. I'm not asking you that so you can make me feel better, Wolf.
She appears to have vanished.
Alita killed her?
Either Alita or the RI. They don't take fondly to security lapses there, I'm afraid.
마리엘이 인간이었다는 사실에 죄책감을 갖는 플린.
You go that way, I'll go here. We can link up so you can see what I'm seeing. When you do, swipe. Tap your thumb and forefinger.
감각 공유 프로그램을 통해 두 사람은 연결되고
It's set to full sensory, not just visual and oral.
This is the weirdest fucking thing I've ever felt. I mean, it's like I'm part of you? Does it work both ways?
You're all rainbows and unicorns, Miss Fisher.
Fuck off.
따로 흩어져서 아엘리타의 행방을 찾기 시작합니다. 그렇게 두 사람이 미래에서 아엘리타의 행방을 쫓는 사이
I think Mr. Pickett and I are overdue for a discussion.
버턴 역시 움직이기 시작합니다.
How can I be of assistance?
I've got a carrot and I've got a stick, Mr. Pickett. How much did they promise for you to make me and my sister dead?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Going rate a few nights ago was $9 million.
What are you mixed up in?
Nothing that'll encroach on your line of business, I promise. But I can offer you $200,000 a week just to leave us the fuck alone.
피켓을 찾아가 제안을 하는 버턴.
I'm curious about the stick.
You know what these are? The Corps targets rural towns for haptic recruitment. Kids who grew up together offer ready-made small unit cohesion. Plug the haptics in, you got a unified organism.
같은 부대의 햅틱 병사들끼리는 모든 감정과 감각을 느낄 수 있었죠.
Generally, I wasn't even aware of what I was doing. Like a hand wouldn't be. If you get my meaning.
But if there's a moral in it, I believe I missed it.
If anything happens to me or my sister, and you're behind it, you ought to have your affairs in order. Because I'm not just me now. I'm all the men I served with.
That's your best stick?
That's my fucking stick.
그렇게 피켓에게 강력한 경고를 날리는 버턴.
200 a week sound good?
피켓은 결국 버턴의 제안을 받아들이며 한 발 물러섭니다. 한편 미래 거대 기업 연구소 리서치 인스티튜트의 대표 셰리즈는
You're taking too much time.
플린의 처리가 늦어지자 데니얼을 압박합니다.
It presents unique challenges, I'm well aware. It seems there ought to be a simpler way to kill a girl, isn't it? What about our problems in the here and now?
It appears that Alita West went to school with Grace Hogarth. They were roommates for a year.
Always been quite fond of Grace.
I can address it if you like.
No, I will.
Dr. Newland?
Thank you for popping by on such short notice.
셰리즈는 아엘리타의 룸메이트였던 그레이스 박사까지 따로 불러냅니다.
The data you're bringing back from the stub may save us all one day. Alita West, does she count as one?
I suppose we boarded together in school.
그레이스가 회사의 1급 기밀을 누설했다는 의심을 굳힌 셰리즈.
How do you suppose someone ingrained in Lagoons might become aware of our stub research division?
She was curious, so I have. It's not as if I shared anything of substance, Doctor.
If you feel compelled to share a secret, I mean a really important secret, an existentially important one, then you should dig a grave first.
For who?
For whom, dear?
그녀는 한치의 망설임도 없이
There's a chemical in the tea. As your body processes it, your sweat begins to mimic a pheromone hornet's release.
Dr. Newland, please. Please don't. I beg you, please don't. I'll do anything.
손쉽게 그레이스를 없애버립니다.
Alita says I'm likely not to exist in 10 years.
When we find Alita, you can ask her, because I have no idea.
그 시각 아엘리타의 흔적을 추적하던 두 사람에게 예상치 못한 위기가 찾아옵니다.
Speaking of which, is there any reason I should be worried about the police?
Walk in an unhurried manner. I'll approach from the opposite direction. Please tell me the peripheral is registered.
It is, with a few frowned upon augmentations.
Okay, right, and you couldn't tell me that before I stepped out with it.
불법 기능이 추가된 페리퍼럴 때문에 경찰에게 쫓기게 되는 플린.
Follow my lead, and when you see me touch my chin, ask if you can go home.
Identity, sir.
Wilf Netherton.
Confirmed.
And this is Rainey Portis, in the peripheral. If you check, I think you'll see I applied for a remote visit visa in her name, 2 of which have been used, this being the 3rd.
A 3rd visit was neither requested nor approved. Please surrender the peripheral immediately for inspection and deconstruction.
You'll be wondering why we exited the vehicle, I suppose. On Rainey's first 2 visits, she mentioned how the peripheral didn't look much like her. Wanted me to rent a different model next time she came to London. It was modeled on an ex-girlfriend, and it seemed easier to just keep using it, which was lazy of me and wrong. She said I must not respect her if I ignored her requests so cavalierly.
상황을 파악한 윌프는 자연스럽게 위기를 넘깁니다.
I believe I'm starting to have feelings for this woman, or at least I'm feeling the possibility of feelings, if you follow my drift.
아찔한 기지 덕분에 가까스로 위기를 모면한 플린과 윌프.
May I go home now, Constable?
Yes, ma'am.
그날 밤
Hey, what's it feel like? Link up with your haptics?
접속을 마친 플린은 버턴에게 윌프와 있던 일을 공유합니다.
Well, I think I did it. I guess something similar to it. With Wilf.
Takes training to handle a merge. 2 souls coming together as one can kind of feel a lot like love if you don't know any better. Haptic drift. That's what they call it.
Right.
한편 약속대로 버턴에게 $200,000를 받아 챙긴 피켓.
From the Fisher family. You find it at all surprising, them paying me $200,000?
A little bit, I'll be honest, yeah.
What if I told you they're planning to keep doing it?
I don't know, I suppose I'd wonder where all the money was coming from.
You are a smart young man, Jasper. I think they've gotten themselves involved in something that's maybe a tad bigger than they can handle. The more I know, the more I can watch out for the Fishers. So you wouldn't want anything bad to happen to them?
피켓이 버턴과 플린이 어떠한 일에 연루된 건지 알아오라고 시키는 사이 플린은 또다시 페리퍼럴에 접속합니다.
Welcome back.
It ain't real. Is it?
Alita left a clue as to her potential whereabouts. She was always fond of riddles.
아엘리타가 남긴 수수께끼를 공유하는 윌프.
Where Snow last fell in London.
My mother had a painting. Over her bureau it said, Battle of the Abbey, the spot where Harold fell. You don't think that I mean, Snow could be a person.
One of Alita's intellectual heroes, an English doctor, he discovered how cholera spread. Where did Jon Snow die?
At 18 Sackville Street.
Let's go. To where Snow last fell in London.
특정 장소를 교묘하게 숨겨놓은 정교한 암호임을 알아챕니다.
I've arrived.
마침내 아엘리타와 만났던 장소를 찾아내는데 성공합니다.
Someone got here before us.
하지만 아엘리타의 모습은 그 어디에도 보이지 않았고 플린은 그곳에서 자신의 집에 있는 것과 똑같이 생긴 시계를 발견합니다.
We have one of those back at home.
The exact same.
Yeah. Ours is broken too. It stopped after my dad died.
What time is your clock set to?
2:15.
윌프가 시계의 시간을 맞추자 숨겨졌던 문이 드러납니다. 그렇게 발견한 장소는 마리엘의 눈을 이식했던 수술실이었죠.
What happened to him?
Peripherals. Abandoned for days without a nutrient bath. Ash and Ossian should be able to trace the connections back to their operators.
이때 플린의 집을 형상화한 미니어처 모형을 발견하고
Burton. What is it?
It's an implant.
윌프가 아엘리타의 이식 장치까지 발견하게 됩니다.
She must have removed it after the attack, so she couldn't be traced. We should go.
나가려던 바로 그 순간
Welcome back, Miss Fisher.
이들의 뒤를 밟은 데니얼이 기습해옵니다.
Remember this. I assume you're thinking, kill me, then game over, right?
위기에 빠진 두 사람.
Hurts a little, don't it? Good. What do you want with me, huh? Answer me!
She won't stop. Not till you're dead.
그리고 상황을 원격으로 지켜보던 셰리즈.
You took something.
What?
쓸데없이 말만 많은 데니얼을 제거해버립니다.
An implant and 2 peripheral CPUs? Is this all that's left of Alita?
기습 사건 이후 데니얼의 시신을 완벽하게 처리하지 못했던 일행은
And your DNA, we must presume, is scattered rather liberally all over the place. At the very least, you must gird yourself for the harsh reality of Alita's death. Without the immunity boost of her implant,
아엘리타가 이미 사망했을지도 모른다는 최악의 가능성에 직면합니다. 한편 접속 부작용으로 인해 몸의 이상 증세가 점점 심해져만 가는 플린. 그때 얼마 전 피켓과 만난 버턴이 걱정돼 토미가 남매를 찾아옵니다.
Saw you and Corbell Pickett shaking hands down in Jimmy's. It had me a bit concerned, so thought I'd come by for a visit. Just make clear, here's a friend, not as a deputy.
Appreciate that, Tommy. You don't have to worry about us.
What about you, Flynn? You okay?
Yeah, we both are.
And Burton, try to remember. Part about me being your friend.
진실을 말할 수 없던 남매는 적당한 거짓말로 그를 돌려보내는데요.
Fucking hate it, Burton. Lying to him like that, I mean, I can't keep doing it.
There's a dozen dead bodies out back. It's easy for Tommy to say he's our friend, as long as he doesn't know about them.
You can't really deny that we need some help right now.
You two tangled up in this.
Tangled up in what?
하지만 오랜 시간 토미를 짝사랑해왔던 플린은
Have you been going through my fucking trash?
It was right there, Flynn.
You need to leave. Go! Hey!
평소와 달리 감정을 주체하지 못하고 극도로 흥분하기 시작합니다.
Hey, it was me who picked up the pieces after Dad died. And when Mama got sick, and then when your ass got home, that was me, Burton. It was all fucking me. I had nothing. I had nothing, just Sims and a stupid fucking crush, and I know it's dumb, okay? I'm not an idiot.
When?
But it mattered to me. It mattered to me because it fucking helped. And you had no fucking right at all, no right to come in my room and say that shit to me.
끝내 발작을 일으키며 바닥에 쓰러지고 말죠.
Voice scan and sense of self, please. I'll take care of the rest.
그 시각 셰리즈는 죽은 데니얼을 대체할 인공지능 로봇을 만들어냅니다.
I'll handle it from here. Poor Daniel. This is our most recent model, if that's any solace. What do we have from your unfortunate encounter of mortality the other night?
Wilf Netherton, adopted brother to Alita West, also known associate of Lev Zubov.
There's our Klepp connection at last.
이 사건에 윌프와 레프가 깊게 연관되어 있음을 눈치챈 그녀.
Tell me, where can I find Lev Zubov now?
Subject geolocated in Virginia water.
사태가 심각해지자 플린을 데리고 다급히 병원을 찾은 버턴.
The way Burton is describing what happened makes it sound like a classic tonic-clonic seizure. But if that were the case, I ought to be seeing the after effect on your EEG. This all looks perfectly healthy. I'll run your blood work, get you in for a CT scan at the Hefty Mart. Call me if there's anything unusual.
Sure thing, Danny. Thank you.
다행히 큰 이상이 없다는 진단에 CT 예약만 잡고 돌아왔고 어릴 적 가족 영상을 보며 안정을 취합니다.
What are you playing?
Nothing, actually. Just watching a home movie.
Which one?
One of the old ones.
I'm not saying you shouldn't do it.
잠시 후 상태가 좋지 않은 플린을 대신해
But I do want to see what it's like. I get that. And I wouldn't mind seeing myself.
This shit is harming Flynn. Then someone's gotta go there and knock those assholes back on their fucking heels.
페리퍼럴에 접속해 상황을 파악하려는 버턴.
Like you don't want to hear it, but if you end up WIA,
She's
we're all...
got a body when she goes in there. A real one.
한편 클랩트의 대표 레프 주보프의 저택에 셰리즈가 찾아옵니다.
You stole something from me.
If someone theoretically stole something, one would think that you would go to the police. You didn't want the Met to find out about this theoretically stolen thing. What is it you're missing, by the way?
You seem to be forgetting quite a bit of vital information recently, including the real politique that governs us all. The Klept oligarchy, through the application of extreme violence, managed to bring order from the chaos of the jackpot. The Met Police keeps the Klept from straying beyond certain implicit boundaries. Benefits from the peace and prosperity that results. It's a wondrous edifice we've managed to construct. But it's also rather fragile, I'm afraid. The end of the world, Lev. Yuri Samsonov was a friend once, wasn't he? But also rather a relevant example in terms of our three. The Met Police resolved the problem with the technical assistance of the RI. It was the Klept who handed Yuri over, someone he trusted. Kiss to the cheek of Samsonov DNA, the entire lineage, eaten away to nothing. I hope so. I hope you're thinking, my, what a powerful weapon, and it's just been sitting in the RI all these years, waiting.
과거 레프의 친구가 어떠한 최후를 맞이했는지 경고하는 셰리즈.
Have a lovely day.
Flynn?
팽팽한 긴장감 속 상황 파악을 위해 코너가 플린의 몸에 접속합니다.
Who the fuck are you?
Kitty Adler. You're fine.
What's happening? Fucking Colts. Hack the connection. Flynn.
Friend of the brothers, the triple amputee.
그는 순식간에 저택 안을 아수라장으로 만들어버리는데요.
You okay, buddy? Hey, Connor. What do you need? Tell us what to do.
Send me back.
한편 가족과의 추억에 빠진 플린에게 윌프가 찾아옵니다.
This is a private space, Mr. Netherton. I don't remember inviting you here.
I wanted to address some issues that have arisen.
코너를 통해 플린의 발작 증상을 알게 된 윌프.
What are these issues that have arisen?
Your friend made a visit. Connor, in your peripheral. He informed us of your seizure, but she seems to believe the headset caused it.
And I bet you're here to tell me it didn't.
Well, I have no idea if it did.
Lev Zubov. That exists in my time.
What did you find?
Him, his wife, his children, daughters, sons, they were all murdered, shot. The house was set on fire. Pretty gruesome stuff, but no connection to your Lev.
윌프는 플린의 세계에 있는 레프 일가족이 모두 살해당했다는 소식을 전해 듣습니다.
Get your scan. In the meantime, we'll investigate the headset. We'll only ask you to return if it's safe. Give you my word. There's one thing I haven't shared. Alita. She's my sister.
그는 아엘리타가 자신의 친누나라는 충격적인 비밀을 고백하고 이를 계기로 두 사람은 서로에게 한 걸음 더 솔직해지기 시작합니다.
I take it you have good cause for this intrusion?
I met with our Poles. She shared some unexpected information.
곧장 래프에게 달려가 그의 일가족이 몰살당했다는 소식을 전해보지만
All of them. They were killed a few weeks ago. Brutally.
어째서인지 그는 슬퍼하긴커녕 눈 하나 깜빡하지 않았습니다.
Someone targeted them, Lev. Someone from here, I presume.
What do you think I was paying Alita to do for me?
I have no idea.
We wanted to learn how to open a stub of our own. Why would we want anything? There's money to be made.
사실 래프는 더 큰 부를 축적하기 위해
My brother Alexei purchased a pharmaceutical concern. Even with AI, at some point one has to test a new drug on a human population.
So you tested it out in a stub?
Yes, that's just a for instance.
미래에선 금지된 불법 임상시험을 스톱에서 하기 위해 아엘리타가 필요했죠.
The idea of different versions of myself in another world. The existential nihilism of it. I just couldn't abide it.
You killed your family?
No, not personally. No, of course not. No, I transferred funds and hired the appropriate personnel.
이렇듯 피도 눈물도 없는 잔혹한 본색이 드러나는 사이
Was there anything else you wanted to share?
현실 속 플린의 감각 이상 증세는 갈수록 심각해집니다.
A person with manners might knock.
Thank you.
Is there a reason you're here, or?
I'm looking for advice, actually.
결국 오빠와 코너를 찾아가 조언을 구하는 그녀.
What the hell do I do with all that?
Never saw one you couldn't master. What's the first thing you do when you get in a sim?
Break script. Do the exact opposite of what's expected.
And then?
Figure out the rule set.
And then?
I take control.
Fuck yeah. Let's do that. You and me. Go in there.
Not without me, motherfuckers. Not this time.
You are so full of shit, Burton. You just want to see it.
Because you're not going back in there till we get your seizure sorted out.
I want to go back, Burton. Okay? I need to. So you go on ahead and call Macon and Edward. I'll get you bodies. Both of you.
굳은 다짐과 함께 다시 페리퍼럴에 접속합니다.
Flynn? The children, inside, now. What are you doing here?
How long does it take to make one of these?
Why?
Because I need one. For Connor. Another one for Burton, too.
Where are you going?
You see, sim jockeys tend to have a specialty. I'm an explorer, Ash, so I think now's a pretty good time to start.
Cut our connection.
Working on it, love. But the Poles are countering. Rather adeptly, I'm afraid.
주도권을 뺏기 위한 해킹 싸움이 시작되고
She's leaving.
Best follow, don't you think?
We're in the bloody hell of Zubov.
Rahat say he's heavy, do get a heart, he's come now wandering.
Alert him. If you want a tour of the city, I can happily.
Show me exactly what you want me to see, no thank you. It's not really exploring now, is it?
숨겨진 진실을 파헤치고자 직접 탐험 모드에 돌입하죠.
The Polt has made an unscheduled visit. Mr. Netherton's assistance might be in order.
I'll send him straight there.
Not here, I'm afraid. More toward Paddington.
You're overcomplicating this as usual. You just gotta keep him out of
I'm aware how a hacker battle works, okay? Never lost.
What happened to the people, Ash?
We call it the jackpot. Even now, they're still arguing about when it technically began.
결국 애쉬는 훗날 벌어질 대재앙 잭팟에 대해 입을 열기로 합니다.
Nice place for a stroll.
She has a right to know, Mr. Netherton.
Send me the damn code.
What is this?
Each of these shapes represents a different phase of the jackpot.
A hack of the North American electrical grid. Across the globe.
That's just 7 years off in my world.
Pandemic, a filovirus. We called it the blood plague. It attacked the viscera, the liver, spleen, intestines, filling with blood till the abdomen burst.
과거 플린이 살던 시대부터 끔찍한 전염병과 기후위기로 생태계가 완전히 붕괴되었고
Agricultural collapse followed. A bit more than 7 billion people. Over 4 decades or so.
그로부터 40년 만에 인류 70억 명이 사망하는 대참사가 벌어졌던 것입니다.
A domestic terrorist attack in the United States. They blew up a nuclear missile silo.
그 잔혹한 재앙의 끝자락엔
That's where I live.
하필 고향 마을에 떨어진 핵미사일 테러까지 있었죠. 참혹한 인류의 종말을 지켜본 플린의 접속이 종료됩니다.